Welcome to MindStudio. Let's get you all set up. Before you begin building AI agents, you'll need to first configure a couple of things. First, you need to connect to an AI model provider. You can do this in a couple of ways. So let's go ahead and click on Connect Models here on the right-hand side. The first way is by configuring it manually. You can use your own API keys and connect to whatever provider you'd like to. The faster and easier way is to use the MindStudio service router. It provides you instant access to over 200 different AI models. There's no API configuration required, and you pay as you go at whatever the provider prices are, meaning there's no monthly fee and you don't pay anything extra to use the service router. To use the service router, simply click on Use MindStudio Service Router. And the service router works on a balance. You can find this balance under your service router settings. You can see here I have a $1 balance. And in order to continue using AI models, you'll need to make sure your balance is topped up. When you run out of credits, you can simply add funds by clicking on the Add Funds button and entering your credit card information. The second thing we'll need to do is make sure we have the MindStudio Chrome extension installed. This allows you to trigger AI agents while browsing in the web with a click of a button. To install the Chrome extension, simply click on Install Chrome Extension here on the right-hand side, and then you'll want to click on the Install Chrome Extension button. We can then click on the button to begin triggering an AI agent. Lastly, you'll want to make sure that you join our Slack. Our Slack channel is the place to network with other AI agent builders, learn directly from the MindStudio team and the community, and get access to different types of collaborators for any AI agent build that you're trying to make. Once you've completed these 3 steps, you're ready to build AI agents. There are plenty of learning resources. Most people start with our pre-recorded workshop, which is a crash course on building AI agents. By the end of the workshop, you'll have the confidence you need and the skills you need to build any AI agent you'd like. If you'd like to learn more on your own, you can check out MindStudio University. This hosts several different self-paced video courses, all of our documentation, as well as several different kinds of build guides for any AI agent you're looking to build. If you're on the individual or business plan, we also offer several free workshops which you can attend at any time. Simply find the workshop on the right-hand side under Upcoming Live Trainings. To get more information about the workshop, simply click on the Register button and you'll be taken to the event page. Finally, MindStudio offers certification boot camps where you can get hands-on training directly from the MindStudio team, learn advanced building skills, and get multiple levels of certification. To register for a boot camp, you can also find the registration links here on the right-hand side. Anyone can learn to build AI agents, and there's no technical skills required. Many people feel confident in building in just a couple of hours. And if you decide to take the one-day bootcamp, you're guaranteed to feel empowered to build AI agents. With all that being said, if you'd like somebody else to build these agents for you, let us know. Simply click on the Contact Us button at the top of the screen, and we'll put you in touch with someone who can help. Welcome to MindStudio, and happy building.